campusM tiles are the building blocks of the app, presenting services to the end user. Tiles can link to other services, display static content, banners, RSS feeds, or dynamic content created using the Application Extension Kit, or AEK. To add a tile to an app profile, log into campusM App Manager, go to App Builder, select the profile and the roles to which the new tile will be published. On the right pane under Menu Options, to create a new tile, click Add. Select the type of tile. A basic tile is a non-functional tile or one that, when selected, redirects to another service or URL. A content menu option displays a page of static content, which is a simple HTML page that you can edit under App Settings Content. An AEK component is a service that provides dynamic content built using the Application Extension Kit. A Feeds tile provides dynamic syndicated content from an RSS feed. A Banners tile presents an image marquee. For this demonstration, let's create a basic tile. Enter a short description, which is the name of this tile, and click Create. We can see a preview of our newly created tile. Our tile is open for editing in the right panel. You can edit a different tile by clicking on it. Under Menu Option Config, you can edit the tile details. And under Tile Config, you can edit the tile properties, for example, to add a tile color. You can also, for example, add an action for when the tile is clicked, such as redirecting to a URL. If this were a Feeds tile, this is where you would provide the link to the RSS feed. When you're done, you must click Save and Publish so as not to lose your work. End users should now be able to see the tile. If your tile is of type Content Menu Option, you can edit the HTML under App Settings, Content. And here under Menu Options, you can find your tile and create one or more subnodes for it. Each subnode is an HTML page which you can edit in the WYSIWYG editor. You can create additional subnodes by selecting your tile and clicking Create Node. If your tile is not static content but rather an AEK component, you can configure it under App Manager, AEK, and here under AEK Documentation, you can learn how to build AEK components. So that's how you add a tile to your profile.